Hi, I'm James from Boilers for Essex. I'm going to tell you a little bit about us and why you should pick us to install your new boiler. We have great prices on new boiler installations and a competitive price match guarantee. We also have great payment options including 0% finance and buy now pay later. Card and cash payments, no problem, whatever is easiest for you. We are gas safe registered and fully insured. As Valent advanced installers and ideal accredited installers, we can offer extended manufacturer's warranty at no additional cost. Our team of experienced boiler installation engineers are tried and tested and leave our customers happy and coming back year after year. So if you would like a free quote from Boilers for Essex, please get in contact, we are happy to help.